Hello everyone, welcome to Stock Trading and Investing. Today market update. Sensex ended at 61,067.24 points, down 631 points, while Nifty ended at 18,199.10 points, down 186.20 points. Yesterday we know market was fallen due to Bank of Japan decision on interest rates. Today the market was fallen due to multiple reports stating that COVID cases was rising in China and probably further there would be increase in death rate because of COVID. With the fresh COVID-19 cases seen in China, the government has also called a meeting of top health officials today. The health ministry has also written to all states to increase genome sequencing to track coronavirus variants for timely identification of any possible cluster. This is the reason stock market have fallen today. Shares of healthcare, diagnostics and pharma companies have rallied more than 3% due to COVID issue. Some of the stocks that have rallied today are Apollo Hospitals 3.34% and Vijaya Diagnostics 12.5%, IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals 13.8%. Other reason pharma stocks are up because Indian pharmaceutical industry depend on China for active pharmaceutical ingredients, intermediates and bulk drugs has been hit by the COVID-19 surge in that country. The price of APIs from China have gone up in last 2 weeks by 12 to 25%. China is reducing exports as their domestic demand and consumption have gone up substantially due to the fresh wave of COVID-19. Some of the key drugs are paracetamol, azithromycin, and other antibiotics price have gone up. Next, Lupin Limited announced that it has received approval from the United States Food and Drug Administration for its abbreviated new drug application for Brivaracetam tablets. Brivaracetam tablets had estimated annual sales of $420 million in USA. Following this update, Lupin stock was up 3.4%. For Glenmark, there is an update. The company launched a new diabetes drug which is high insulin resistant type 2 diabetes drug for adults priced at 14.90 per day. Will reduce the daily cost of therapy by 40%. Following this update, shares of Glenmark gained 8% and closed at 442 rupees. As we know, there will be a bad situation for hotel chains and multiplex chains airlines when there is a COVID issue. Since news broke out that rise in COVID cases, today there is a dip in PVR, Indian Hotels and Indigo. Indian Hotels falls 4.5%, PVR falls by 4.2% and Indigo falls by 2.6%. Next, Shyam Metallics have updated to the exchange that they are going to acquire Metal Corp Limited. Through this acquisition, Shyam Metallics will enter into business of stainless steel wire rods and bars and also considering a stainless steel manufacturing plant in Madhya Pradesh. Metallics aims at expanding existing 8.85 million tons per annum production capacity to 14.45. After this update, company stock gained 2.57%. There is an update from SEBI suspending derivatives trading of few commodities for one more year until December 2023 due to high inflation. The commodities are paddy, wheat, chena, mustard seeds and its derivatives, soya bean and its derivatives, crude palm oil and moong. Next, City Union Banks in exchange filing from Tuesday said that RBI carried out site inspection for supervisory evaluation for financial year 22 from October 7th to November 18th and the final meeting concluded on December 19th. RBI had found out that there is difference in non-performing assets for financial year 22 amounting to 259 crore rupees. Following exchange following exchange filing, bank stock have reacted negatively and closed at down 5.11%. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe.